Welcome, lovely people. At first, I thought you all are liking the long, slowed, real-time videos of henna, but now it seems like they're boring. So I fastened up this floral henna tutorial. What do you think? Did I guess it right? Comment below. Have you ever been in stress or mental trauma of trying to get things done in the way of growth and peace? Everyone must have had such experiences. I'm also having it. It's not easy. Each and every time you try to get out of it, you fail and fail and fail. Seems like past traumas are never ending in the present too. It breaks the little heart. But I believe in Allah. He never does anything without a reason. I solely believe in Him. I ask for His warmth to calm me down. But we need some distraction, right? If we really want to stop thinking about it, we definitely need distractions. There comes henna the art. Henna also been my savior. I doodle whenever I feel stressed, so I turn my mental downfall into an art. You also can do it only if you wish to come out of it. What I am trying to say is do what you love when you feel low. It'll help you to learn and focus yourself on your self-growth, even after hardship. I hope you all get to learn something from this. And no sadness or hardship is worse than the people of Gaza are facing. It's heart-wrenching. Don't forget to pray for them. Let's continue the henna session. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it helps somebody out there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.